What if I told you that a couple of nerds from CSU could make something that could change the world? It could be bigger than the Facebook, bigger than the Twitter. Now what if I told you that was a lie? The group had an ambitious plan to create a device that would allow you to control a Nerf gun remotely from anywhere around the world. But as you can probably guess, things went wrong pretty quickly. Join us this summer as we watch the group tear apart the electronics within the Nerf gun to create their own circuit. Then, completely underestimate the complexity of the loading mechanism, but try to compensate by using a laser and a photoresistor to try to sense when the system is back at its starting location, and then end up not using that circuit and still having issues with the loading mechanism. All this group had going for them was perseverance. But sometimes, that's enough.
Which way should I go, right?
If you continue to try, despite thousands of failures, eventually, maybe eventually, you'll just succeed.
If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing, like the video, share it, and pretty much just have a good one. I'll see you next time, guys.